Guys, welcome to this video. Jane here, and you all know that I love supplements to lose weight, supplements for beauty, for skin. And today I came here to talk to you in this very quick video, straight to the point, to tell you a new supplement that I am trying and I am in love, Mitolyn. Yes, Mitolyn is brand new and really amazing. I had amazing results. I lost weight in a very natural way and pretty quickly. I love it, and I am here to tell you my experience with the supplement. If you are just like me, if you are struggling to lose weight, if you think there is no chance for you and you need an extra help, I am here to tell you that Mitolyn is the perfect solution you are looking for to lose weight in a very natural way. I am leaving for you the link to the official website where I bought my Mitolyn and where you can buy yours and have amazing results. And well, Mitolyn is a result of many years studying. Scientists, they discovered recently that overweight people, they have low mitochondria levels. It means less ATP and less energy, lower metabolism. And that's why it's so hard for you to lose weight. And the solution is you need to increase your ATP levels. You need to increase your mitochondria levels to lose weight quickly, really quickly and easier, because sometimes, well, we go to the gym, we do like a restrictive diet, and it's hard for us to lose weight. Right after I gave birth, it was really hard for me to lose weight. And wow, that's why I love the supplement. Mitolyn can really help you to lose weight in a very natural way. It has helping me to lose weight, and 100,000 people around the world already transformed their bodies in a very natural way. I already lost 20 pounds like in a very easy way. So, I've tried a lot of diets, a lot of intense exercises, and it helps. Like we lose some weight, but not so quickly, right? That's why I love the supplement. Well, it has, as I told you, it's natural, all natural ingredient, and it has rhodiola, for example. Rhodiola will relieve your stress, your anxiety, will improve your mood, your ATP levels. It will help you with your hunger. So if you're feeling starving all the time, if you eat a lot, if you are feeling, anxious and you eat a lot, it will help you with your cravings. It will help you with your energy levels. So you are gonna have more disposition to complete your day, do your task, go to the gym, read a book. Energy. We need energy nowadays, right? And cacao, for example, it will help you with your libido, your energy levels, your mood. So I love Mitolyn, and you should try the supplement if you really want to improve your metabolism and make your body burn even the most stubborn fat you have. Mitolyn is FDA approved, no GMO, GNP certified. So there's no risk for your health, not even if you're doing another treatment. It's safe and natural for you, for your body, all natural ingredients, plant-based. So it's all benefits, right? I love it. And you have a money back guarantee. So there's no reason for you don't try to transform your body in a very natural way. I love it. Well, this was my message for you today. Very quick video, straight to the point, just to tell you it works and you should try this supplement. Be consistent with your treatment. I saw the results in the first month, but the best results, they will come in the medium long term use. Be consistent with your treatment. I bought the biggest package because I want to try for 6 months. I want to try and I want to burn all the stored fat I have in my body. And now Mitolyn can help me. Well, thanks for watching. This was my message for you today. Down below in this video, the link to the official website where I bought mine and where you can buy yours. Thanks for watching and I see you soon. Bye.